Today I'm going to share with you a story, one that is not only powerful and inspiring, but also a great way to help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. If you like my content, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks. The man, who eventually registered more than 1,000 U.S. patents during his long career, didn't just invent something for the sake of it. Thomas Edison's inventions were useful to both the master of industry and the man on the street alike. Working constantly, he considered sleep a waste of time and was reputed to require only about 4 hours per night. Edison produced a steady stream of innovation. His earliest contraptions included a transmitter and receiver for automatic telegraphing and an improved stock ticker system. In 1878, he patented the phonograph. A year later, most famously, he produced the first commercially practical incandescent lamp, and then, always eager to boost the utility of his products, quickly developed the first central electric light power plant in the world. Thomas Edison laid important foundations with other initiatives and ideas that were not, strictly speaking, inventions. He established a sophisticated research facility in Menlo Park, New Jersey, for himself and his team, and this beehive of productivity became a model for industrial research laboratories elsewhere. He established a distribution unit to carry electricity into places of business and individual houses, not only juicing sales of his light bulbs, but encouraging American industry to plug in. In one experiment, he discovered that an electric current could flow through a near vacuum between two wires that weren't touching. This would lead eventually to the vacuum tube, and, along with his distribution network, would jumpstart the electronics industry. He conceptualized the kinetoscope, an early motion picture exhibition device. He synchronized moving images and sound, presaging by decades feature film talkies. He produced a superior storage battery. He built an experimental electric railroad. Edison changed the way the world saw and heard things, and the way it made things go. That's all. If you like the video, please subscribe me to get more contents. I hope this story not only helped you practice English, but also gave you something deeper to think about. Life can be challenging, but with awareness, compassion, and balance, we can all find our own way. Thank you for listening. May your journey be full of learning, growth, and inner peace.